This is how to play You Will Never Ever Change, You Are the Lord, You Will Remain the Same. The original key of the song is the key of G sharp, which is this key right here. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp, which is this key right here. Okay, without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by playing this song to you guys using the original key, and then I'll break it down after on the key of C sharp. Okay, so on the original key, on the key of G sharp, it says, You will never ever change. You are the Lord. You remain the same. It's quite easy, right? So let's break it down on the key of C sharp. On the key of C sharp, it starts right on this chord. Okay, it starts right here. This is our number 6 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as A sharp minor second inversion. A sharp minor second inversion. Okay, from 6 we go to 5, which is this chord. This is our number 5. Okay, also known as G sharp major. It's also a second inversion. From 5 it goes to 4. This is our number 4. It's also second inversion. It is known as F sharp major second inversion. Okay, F sharp major second inversion. From 4 it goes to 1. This is our number 1, also known as C sharp major root chord. Okay, I said it's 6, 5, 4, 1. Okay, this is what it says. You will never ever change. Okay, so just on that part, we're gonna introduce the bass. When you play your first chord on the right, which is number 6, on the left you're going to play 6 as well. When you go to 5, on the left you go to 5. Sorry, on the left, when you go to 5 on the right, on the left you go to 4. You stay there until you play 4 on the right. And then when you go to 1, on the right, on the left, you go to 3. I'm going to repeat it again. I said when you play 6 on the right, on the left, you go to 6. When you go to 5 on the right, on the left, you go to 4. You stay there until you play 4. And then when you go to 1, on the left, you go to 3. Alright? You will never ever change. Okay, and then from here, on the right, you go to 2. This is our number 2 on the major scale of the key of C sharp. It is also known as D sharp minor chord. Okay, it's D sharp minor and it's a second inversion. D sharp minor, second inversion. Okay, so from 2, it goes to 1, which is this chord. This is our C sharp major, but it's a second inversion. Okay? From here, we go to 5, which is this chord. This is G sharp major root chord. From 5, you go back to 1. Okay, I'm gonna start from the beginning. I said it's 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 1, 5, back to 1. On the left, you're going to play 6, 4, 3, and then when you go to 2, on the left you go to 4. But I'm going to play it down here. From 4, on the left you go to 5. When you play 1, you stay on number 5 until you play 5. When you go back to 1, on the left you also go to 1. For the last time. You will never ever change. You are the Lord. You remain the same. Okay? that's it for today, guys. I believe you learned something from this video. If you did, please drop a like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you want to support the channel, you can do so by clicking the link down in the description and join our channel membership. Until we meet again, God bless you.